I'm Hans Lysklimt. I'm the founder and chairman of Runbox.com, running free and open source software applications. Now, the truth about companies, and especially IT consultants, is that they want to lock you in. That's their business model. And sometimes you can get the first needle for free or very cheap, but they will turn up the prices and sort of screw you later on. That's how a lot of IT companies make their money. And I want to let you in on a strategy for how to counter that and how you can deal with that as best as possible. Now, Runbox is a company that's there for you when it comes to free and open source software. We will help you with any issue regarding free and open source software and help you set up a solution that's good for you. Now, what you want to do is to follow the strategy of divide and conquer. Divide and conquer. And what you want to spread yourself on several companies so that you don't have to rely on one single company. And the most important thing is that you want to have your servers run and maintained on the back level by one company, and then you want to have control of that server yourself, or maybe through your own employees and direct access. And then you want to have a third company to help you maintain it and to run it 24/7, 365. That last leg is really where Runbox has its strength. We can help you run your applications. Now, the thing with the servers and the maintenance of the servers is that this is a very competitive environment, and you can buy that from a number of different companies. At Runbox, we endorse hosting Zoom. We also endorse Rackspace and a number of other server providers. And they pretty much have the same service because this is open source, really, software. And they are great at running sort of the backbone, the core of a server. And they will help you with the security. They will help you with the backup and all that. So you can rely on one company for that and those pieces. What you want to run yourself is the security and the management of the system. So either yourself or some trusted person in your company needs to have the access codes and the passwords to the system, being able to set up new accounts and delete people that have been discontinued from your company, or other issues with the actual account. Not necessarily very technical stuff, but just being able to administer the whole thing. Most software applications and open source software applications will have an admin interface, and it's usually the software application /admin where you log in with a username and a password, and this is where you administer the application. So the administration role you should take on yourself. You can have people help you with it, but you should really be on top of that yourself. Now, the maintenance and the running of the application is where companies like Runbox come in and can help you. Because companies that provide hosting and servers, they are usually not very well into all the different kinds of applications that can run on these servers. So you want to find a company that can help you with exactly the service and the software that you want to use for your company. And when you do that, you need someone to follow up on that software, because there might be issues with that software. There might be new security releases, and someone has to do something really fast to fix that. And that's where a company will help you 24/7, 365. You can do this yourself, but that is not very rational, because you will be running one instance of this software application, and having a person and a whole team of people with backups and having someone work on Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve and all through summer and all that is very costly. So there are huge opportunities there for improvement with running many services.